Hello everyone, welcome to Smart Tech. Hope everyone is doing great. Viewers, in front of you right now, HP color LaserJet printer. The model number is Pro MFP M479fdw. Viewers, this is new model from HP, and the issue is with this printer right now. As you can see, paper is jammed inside the printer. Open the rear door and clear any jammed paper. Stay with me, watch the complete video. We will fix this paper jam issue, and I will tell you today how to release the paper. First of all, we will go to it's instructing us that open the rear door and clear any jammed paper. Okay, so we will go to the rear door and check if there is any jammed paper inside or not. Okay viewers, I came to the rear door. We will open it and we will see there is nothing jammed here. Okay, but if I will show you, there is, I can see here little visible, there's a paper down over here. If I will zoom it and you will see, okay, this is the paper in the near the rollers. So how we will release this paper? We will try to release this paper from the downside. Hold on, let me rotate it. Open the tray 2, open it, and then okay viewers, I lift the printer a bit, and here you can see there is no paper on the downside, but I will tell you there is another tray, is tray 1, that is the white plate you can see. This is tray 1 path. So might be the paper is inside this tray. I will tell you how to release this tray. Hold on. Anyways, I return the printer 90-degree vertical. Okay, the back side is right on the table. Okay, you can see the paper is jammed here. This is tray 1. From the upside we can insert the paper, but how to release this paper? You can see there is a red green color button over here to release this tray. Press this button, then pull with the help. Press this button and pull it up. Okay, you can see I press this button and pull this tray up, and there is no one paper. There are many papers are stuck inside. Look how many papers are stuck inside, and that's why it was showing the message the paper is jammed. Now we will place it back the tray 2, and we will check if there is error or not. Before I turn it on, I will tell you that this is a tray 1. I think the paper was jammed from this tray. It feed the more than one paper in one time simultaneously, so that's why it got stuck inside. Okay, now we will place back tray 2, and then we will turn it on to see that if there is an error or not. Printer is booting up. I turned it on. Let's see. So it was showing paper jam error, and now we will see is there any paper jam or the issue is resolved. Okay viewers, it's asking to modify the size. If we want to, we will not modify it at A4. Look, now there is no more error. It was showing before paper jam. If we will print splice status report from here, okay, we can see only here. I will go to settings to print splice status to check is it jamming the paper again or not. Hold on. Okay, got into the reports. It is right there in the settings. Okay, and we will go for printer status, quality report, splice status. Okay, we will splice status. Let's see either it's jamming or not. Okay, look, there is no more jam. Okay, and this is a splice status. You guys, if you got stuck and jammed the paper inside this printer, you can release the paper as I mentioned now. And even if you have any question regarding this printer about any matter, you can ask me in the comments. I will reply. Okay, and don't forget to subscribe the channel, and thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.